Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a top utensil rack rail in your dishwasher, pull the top rack out. Release the retaining tabs to remove the front stop clips. Slide the rack off of the rails. Release the retaining tabs to remove the appropriate rear stop clip, and you can slide out the old rail. When installing the new top rack rail, keep the stop tab at the front as you slide the rail onto the rollers. Snap the rear stop clip into place. Align the utensil tray support brackets on the rails and slide the rack in. Realign the two front stop clips on the rails and snap them into place.